welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to solve the hibernate issue on your Windows 11, Windows 10 or any version of Windows you're using. So let's get how to solve the hibernate issue, missing or sleep issue. So if you have any of the power option missing from here, like for example when I scroll down to locate this and click on my power option, I'll notice here I have only lock, shut down and restart. My sleep is missing here, and also my hibernate issue is missing here, so I can see that I can't hibernate this PC or I can sleep this PC. So let's get how to solve this right here right now. But before we go into this video, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So what you're going to do is going to come here and click on our Windows icon and just simply search for power, and this is what you're going to get. So when you look at this, you're going to make sure you choose a power plan. So once you search for power, you're going to find this. You can either click on edit power plan or choose a power plan. So I'm going to open this setting. So what you're using to take us to this place here, and what you have to do is to scroll to the top left corner and try to locate choose what closing the lead does. I'm going to click on this. So remember, when you get here, what you have to do is to choose what closing the lead does. I'm going to click on this. So the next thing here is you're going to see something like this, and what you have to do is to locate what yours here, and it says change settings that are currently unavailable. So I'm going to locate change settings that are currently unavailable here. So I'm going to tap on this, and you are going to see that we can actually edit it. So remember, if we don't tap on that, we won't be able to edit it. So just click on that part. And what to do is to tick these boxes here. I'm going to tick both the sleep and hibernate because I want to solve these two issues. And you can go ahead to choose what happens when you press this sleep button. For example, you can switch to hibernate or whatever, but let me leave this on sleep and whatever. Then what you have to do is to click on save changes. So this is going to save everything you've done here. And I'm going to close this and let's check if we got our problem solved. So scrolling back to locate here, click here. I'm going to tap on my power button, and you can see that I have both sleep and hibernate here, and the issue is actually fixed. So this is what you do to solve this issue. If you found this video helpful, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.